Okay guys, so I managed to loosen it up with my other hand. So just twist it to the left, right, a couple times, loosen it up and give it a little pull and it will come right out. And there it is. That's the stock halogen turn signal. And you just pull it out. So there is no wires on this. That's how it gets the electricity on these sides. So once you install the new one, oops, once you install this one, we will check if it works. If not, we will switch the bulb to get the correct polarity. Okay, let's give this a shot. So it's right on top of, behind this metal piece, on top of it. It's right behind that. Okay, let's see now if it's working. Okay, it's working good. All right, now we have both of them. That's a lot brighter, guys, than the stock. I was getting irritated because my rear ones were nice and LED, and the front ones I could not figure out how to get to the turn signal. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy watching, and I hope this helps. See you next time.